Maya was exhausted all the time. Her phone never stopped buzzing. Text messages came in constantly. People needed her help nonstop. Her boss texted her at 11 p.m. Her friends called during her work hours. Her family demanded her time every single weekend. Maya felt like she was drowning slowly. She couldn't remember the last time she had a day to herself. She couldn't remember feeling truly rested. Everyone had access to her all the time. She was available 24/7 to everyone. She thought this made her a good friend and employee, but it was killing her inside. The worst part was people's expectations. They expected instant responses. They got annoyed if she took an hour to reply. They guilt-tripped her if she couldn't help immediately. "I thought you cared about me," they would say. Maya felt trapped by their demands. She tried to keep everyone happy. She would wake up at 6 a.m. to respond to messages. She would skip meals to help people. She would work late to finish everyone's requests. She had no life of her own anymore. She was just a resource for everyone else. Maya finally broke down at work one day. She started crying at her desk. Her coworker Lisa saw her and pulled her aside. "You need to learn about boundaries," Lisa said directly. Maya wiped her tears. "What do you mean? I just want to help people." Lisa nodded. "I know, but you're burning out completely. Come to my house this weekend. I want to show you something important." That Saturday, Maya drove to Lisa's house. Lisa had a beautiful garden in her backyard. She walked Maya to a small vegetable plot. There were two identical gardens side by side. "Look at these two gardens closely," Lisa said. "I planted them on the same day. Same seeds, same soil, same sunlight and water. The first garden looked terrible. Plants were trampled and broken. Vegetables were half-eaten and damaged. The soil was full of footprints. Everything looked destroyed and dying. This is the open garden," Lisa explained. "It has no fence at all. No boundaries protecting it. Animals come in whenever they want. They eat the vegetables. They trample the plants. They take whatever they want. Nothing survives here." Maya looked at the destroyed garden. It looked sad and empty. Lisa pointed to the second garden. This one looked healthy and full. Plants were growing strong and tall. Vegetables were ripe and untouched. Everything looked protected and thriving. "This is the fenced garden," Lisa continued. "It has a simple fence around it. Clear boundaries protecting it. Animals can't just walk in. They can't take whatever they want. The plants can grow safely." She looked at Maya seriously. "You are the open garden right now. You have no fence, no boundaries protecting your time and energy. Everyone walks in whenever they want. They take whatever they need. They trample your peace. They eat your energy. Nothing survives." Maya felt tears starting again. She knew Lisa was completely right. She had no boundaries at all. Everyone had full access to her constantly. They were destroying her piece by piece. "But won't people get mad if I set boundaries?" Maya asked quietly. Lisa smiled. "Yes, some people will get very mad. Those are the animals who are taking advantage. They're mad because you're building a fence now. They can't just take from you anymore. Good people will respect your fence." Maya drove home thinking about those two gardens. She realized she had to build a fence. She had to protect her own time and energy. She couldn't let everyone trample her anymore. The next week, Maya started building her fence. She turned off work notifications after 6 p.m. Her boss texted her at 9 p.m. Maya didn't respond until the next morning. Her boss was annoyed. "I needed that right away," he said. Maya responded calmly. "My work hours are 9 to 6. I'll help you during those hours." Her boss looked shocked. No one had ever set boundaries with him before, but he couldn't argue with it. Her work hours were 9 to 6. That was fair and reasonable. Maya's friend called during her work hours. Maya didn't answer. She called back that evening. Her friend was upset. "Why didn't you answer? I needed to talk," Maya explained gently. "I can't talk during work hours. I'm available in the evenings." Some friends got angry and left. Those were the friends who only valued her for instant access. They didn't respect her time at all. Maya felt sad at first, but then she felt relieved. Those weren't real friends anyway. Maya set boundaries with her family too. I need 1 weekend a month completely to myself, she told them. They guilt-tripped her hard. Family should always come first, they said. Maya stayed firm. I love you, but I need time for myself too. 1 weekend a month. Her family was upset initially, but they adjusted over time. They started planning things in advance. They respected her schedule better. The relationship actually improved because of boundaries. Maya became the fenced garden. She built clear boundaries around her time and energy. She protected herself from people who just wanted to take. She learned that boundaries aren't selfish. Boundaries are necessary for survival. The most important lesson she learned was simple. Good people respect your fence. Bad people get angry about your fence. The fence helps you see who actually cares about you and who just wanted to take from you. I didn't have boundaries for many years. I was available to everyone all the time. I thought that made me a good person, but it destroyed me completely. I was exhausted and resentful constantly. Learning to set boundaries saved my life. It felt impossible at first. I felt guilty saying no. I worried people would hate me. Some people did get angry. Those were the people who were using me. Losing them was actually a gift. Now I protect my time and energy fiercely. I have clear work hours. I have personal time that's protected. I say no without guilt. And my real relationships are stronger because of it. Boundaries create respect. You might be the open garden right now. You might have no fence at all. Everyone is trampling you constantly. Start building your fence today. Set clear boundaries. Protect your time and energy. Good people will respect it. Bad people will leave. That's how you know it's working. Someone you know is being trampled constantly. They're available to everyone 24/7. They're exhausted and dying inside. They need to hear about the two gardens. Share this story with them right now. Help them understand that boundaries aren't selfish. Help them build their fence. That fence will save their life.